Hello and welcome to Together San Diego. Thank you very much for joining us today. I'm Paola Hernandez Jayo from the San Diego Union-Tribune. Our guest today is Aaron Byzak, Chief External Officer at TriCity Medical Center. TriCity received the 2021 Community Hero Award for their service to the community during the COVID-19 pandemic. Please welcome Aaron to the show. Aaron, thank you very much for being with us today.
Oh, thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Congratulations on your recognition as a community hero. I know you serve a lot of people up in the community in North County. Tell us a little bit about Tri-City Medical Center, the reason why you were selected, and what you've been doing to serve our community during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Well, Tri-City Medical Center has been serving the North County coastal community for 60 years. And when the COVID-19 pandemic hit, it gave us an opportunity to do even more for the community. And so, we were able to very quickly pivot and be able to protect our staff, protect our patients, and able to treat a very high number of COVID-19 positive patients, actually over 1,000 in the hospital, in the inpatient setting, and many more in the emergency department. And then ultimately be able to vaccinate many of the people in our community. We provided over 40,000 vaccinations at our vaccination center.
So this has been throughout the period during the pandemic that we've all been facing. One of the other things that you do is you serve the community very well. You have a project that's called the Coastal Commitment. What is this Coastal Commitment?
The Coastal Commitment stands for Community Outreach and Support Through Active Leadership. So it's the name of our community outreach initiative. And we have now 60 partner organizations in the community. And what we do is we try to affect change in those areas where there are limited access to healthcare, homelessness and housing instability. We try to elevate economic empowerment, the areas that are having a disproportionate negative impact on our most at-risk populations. And so we team up with 60 partner organizations to affect change in those areas. And we just have such an amazing partnership, and we love our partners, and we provide financial support for those organizations, but also in-kind support. So our folks at our hospital actually volunteer their time at those organizations throughout the year.
This is a great collaboration with the large number of organizations up there in the North County. Tell us a little bit more about what you do with these 60 partners, and for example, who are some of these partners?
Well, I'll give you an example. In the area of homelessness and housing instability, we partner with a local homeless service provider called Operation Hope North County. They're located in Vista. They're a homeless shelter for women and families. And what we do for them is we provide some financial support for their programs that help people who are facing homelessness become, housed. And what we also do is, for instance, our human resources department goes in and helps train them on resume writing and interview techniques. I teach a class on strategic career planning for the folks at the homeless shelter, and I do it several times throughout the year. Our staff in my department in graphic design actually help them rebrand a number of their efforts, and which helps them elevate their fundraising abilities and things like that. And we do things like, an organization donated some furniture. So me and my team took our flatbed truck from the hospital out there and actually picked up the furniture and delivered it to the shelter. So we do things like that with 60 different partners throughout the community.
It's quite an initiative that you have. I know Tri-City Medical Center is large in North County, and you've been doing a lot in regards to vaccination. You've been doing a lot right now during the pandemic. And again, congratulations on being awarded one of the 2021 San Diego's Best Union-Tribune Readers Poll Community Heroes. You have an anniversary that you're celebrating.
Yeah, actually, this year is our 60th anniversary. So over the course of the last few months, we've been initiating a number of projects at the hospital. For instance, we renamed the towers at the hospital after the three cities that we serve: Carlsbad, Oceanside, and Vista. We have all new art, a beautiful history wall, heroes posters of our amazing staff. And, and I really have to say that our staff was integral to our success during the COVID-19 pandemic. They stepped up. Our nurses, our doctors, our ancillary staff, our administrators, all the way to our foundation, the Tri-City Hospital Foundation, and the Tri-City Hospital Auxiliary, who is our senior and junior volunteers. They've actually been in play longer than the hospital's been around. And so they really stepped up and they helped us run the vaccination clinic at the hospital. And we're just so proud of everybody.
If somebody would like information in regards to vaccination, if they need to make an appointment, and also if they want information about TriCity Medical Center and your community projects, do they go to your website? What is best? I'm going to show one of the images that you sent me also in regards to vaccinations.
Yeah, they can visit our website, tricitymed.org, and there's a vaccination link there that'll take you to My Turn, which is the state's scheduling program. So you can schedule to choose Tri-City as a place to get vaccinated or any place that's convenient to you.
Okay, and if they want information in regards to the community organizations that you work with, is there a list on tricitymed.org/community?
That's right. There's an overview of the Coastal Commitment and it lists many of our partners there. And actually, if you're an organization that's looking to get support from Tri-City Medical Center and you're aligned with the needs of the community, you can actually apply for sponsorship or programmatic sponsorship at that website, tricitymed.org/community.
Thank you very much. Also, I'm going to share your social media. They can follow you on Facebook and Instagram for updated information. At Tri-City Medical Center is where they can find you on Facebook and Instagram. And then if they would like to visit your YouTube channel, you can find them on Tri-City Med CTR. Something else that you would like to add, Aaron?
No, I think we're just very pleased to have been recognized for this. It really is a testament to the work of our staff and our community coming together, and we thank you all for that.
Thank you very much. And again, congratulations on being selected as one of the 2021 San Diego's Best Union-Tribune Readers Poll Community Heroes. We appreciate it. And thank you very much for taking the time to be with us here today to share the information about your coastal commitment, your service to the community with the more than 40,000 vaccinations that you've done during the COVID-19 pandemic, and also the more than 1,000 COVID positive inpatients that you have served in your location at Tri-City Medical Center. Thank you very much, Aaron, to you and to your entire team. You are our heroes today, and you've been our heroes throughout the pandemic. Thank you very much. And thank you all very much for watching today. If you would like to watch more of these episodes of Together San Diego, you can visit SanDiegoUnionTribune.com/Together SD Live. And if you would like to watch more of our live streams, you can go to SanDiegoUnionTribune.com/UT Today. And this interview, if you would like to watch it again, you can go to SanDiegoUnionTribune.com and you can watch it on our Together SD Live page. One last bit of information, if you would like to see the list of San Diego's best, where you will see Tri-City Medical Center listed as one of the community heroes, you can go to SanDiegoUnionTribune.com/SD-Best. Thank you very much, Aaron, and thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. That concludes this episode of Together San Diego. Thank you, Aaron. Happy holidays.
Thank you. Same to you.
News is more important today than ever before.
I'm currently outside Otay Mesa Detention Center.
I'm about to get a report at Sharp.
Out at Sunset Cliffs.
COVID testing site.
We live for these times when we're able to bring the news into the homes of people who need it the most.
I thank all of you for supporting our work.
When you subscribe to the paper, you're telling us that you believe in what we do.